Let's create your first campaign. From the campaign screen, click Add New and Charitable opens its template library. Pick a template that fits your cause. We'll use School Club Fundraiser, hover it, then click Create Campaign. First, give your campaign a clear, specific name. We'll call ours New Books for Every Classroom. The campaign description is where you make your case. Tell donors what you're raising for and what their gift makes possible. Now open Settings, set your fundraising goal, choose an end date, and file it under a category. A strong image builds trust. Under Featured Image, upload your own or pick one from the media library. Your donation form is ready out of the box. Click Form to see the fields donors fill in. You can adjust these anytime. When everything looks right, switch the status from Draft to Publish and save. Your campaign is now live. Right next to View Live is the Embed button, and it's the easiest way to put your campaign on your site. Click it and Charitable can create a brand new page for your campaign or add it to a page you already have. Prefer to place it yourself. You can drop in a simple block or copy a shortcode and paste it anywhere. Either way, your donation form is ready for supporters in just a couple of clicks. Click View Live to see exactly what your donors see. That's your first campaign ready to accept donations. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.